Okay, this is the Xreading placement test to help you read a lot of easy books. Extensive reading means reading easy books. So you should have already logged into Xreading and gotten to this box where it asks you to take the test. If you're not ready, close and come back later. You need about 15 minutes and you should have good energy and be ready to really concentrate. Okay. Here's the way the test works. You should read the instructions carefully, okay? And you have to click each word to make it go into the correct box in a sentence. Notice the words are in alphabetical order, so it should be easier to find them, okay? And they give you a practice, and it starts right away. Say, I already missed the beginning, so get ready to do the practice test very quickly after you press start. There's no time to wait. All right. And you read short stories and you have to first click the purple word that goes here and then click the green word that goes there. Okay. So test 1, 2, and 3 are stories. Tests 4 and 5 are not stories. They're phrases or sentences that you must complete. When you're done, you get a level. I'm level 1. Oh, well. And then you can add a book. Right here, you can add a book. So here's your reading level, add a book. And when I click that, I have a lot of choices. There are hundreds and hundreds of books in Xreading. And as your level goes up, you have more and more choices. And when you click on a book, you can read it on your computer or on your phone. If you don't see the next button, scroll down a little bit to see the next page button. And when you're done, keep going, next, and it will give you a short quiz. These quizzes are much easier, okay? They should really only take about 5 minutes, and you have a maximum of 10 minutes to take the quiz, okay? If you're not ready, take a break and take the quiz later, okay? All right. So, and it will give you a warning that it's going to return the book. Just click continue. All right, so there's a few multiple choice questions. Do your best, and it will ask you to rate the book. You don't have to. You can do it now. You can do it later. All right, and then it will take you back to your book data so that you have smart, measurable data about how many books you read, how many words, and when. All right, and the best thing is, right away, you can read again, or if you go back to home, it asks you right away, add book. Do you want to read another book? So you can keep reading continuously. You don't have to go to the library. You don't have to return anything. You don't have to buy anything. Gakushuin has already paid for this for you for 1 year. So we hope you read a lot of books in this system, okay? It's pretty simple. Sometimes there is trouble. Contact your teacher if you have a problem, okay? And ask them quickly, all right? Because it's probably a simple problem to fix, or they will contact me, Ted O'Neill, and I will take care of it for you. All right? Good luck, everybody. Hope it works well. Bye.